Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to save WebP files as JPG or PNG on Google Chrome. So open Chrome browser, then click on apps. Now click on Web Store. Now here search extension save images as type, then press enter. Here guys you will see option and extensions save images as type, and there are some more extensions. Select this first one, then click on add to Chrome, add extensions. Now click here, then pin this extension. Now find out any image. So if you want to save any image like this one, so right click, and guys you will see option save images as type. You can save as JPG, PNG or WebP. Like JPG you want to save, so select it, then click on save. That's it. So this way guys you can save WebP files as JPG or PNG on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.